welcome back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, we are at the ultimatemedium.com course part 14 of 30, and today we are going to be talking about importance of having your own publication, my friends. So guys, you might have heard from a lot of gurus, medium gurus, that you need to publish on different publications. In fact, you need to try to apply to big publications like the Startup Illumination is one of the biggest publication, Mind Cafe, and there are so many writing cooperative. There are so many massive publications out there, established audience they have, and they get you lots and lots of exposure and views. But today we are going to be talking about importance of having your own publication, my friends. So in December 2022, two writers from our publication made over $100. Me and Asad Educate, I made over $130, and Asad Educate made $100 from just by publishing on our own publication in Quarter Atlas. So the reason it's very simple having your own publication is that there are no wait times, my friends. You just click publish and there it is. You don't need to wait for editors for to edit it for you, or check for plagiarism or anything. You just hit enter and just it's published over there on your publication. So what happens is, my friends, that once you publish on your own publication or any other publication, people will get your followers will get an email, your email subscribers will get an email notification, but also the publication followers, we have 90 now, will get a separate email in their inbox. They will be notified if they are following that publication. So this is very important, my friends. Setting up your own publication and just posting on your own publication, you have got so much freedom for So now let's look at the last 30 days stat 64,000 minutes read last 30 days, 62,000 plus views last 30 days, and 1800 average visitors per last 30 days. One more thing I would like to say, my friends, is that if I go to homepage and settings, for example, if you have your own publication, one big advantage is that you can change these tags for your publication anytime you want. If you feel that your publication is having more productivity articles, medium stories, you can just add productivity and remove a topic which you think your publication doesn't have. So right now I am focusing my publication with these topics. However, I am a good writer at technology and future as well, machine learning, and chat GPT as well. But the thing is, I haven't added those, taking into account the number of writers we have are also posting content on writing, guide, productivity, and on medium related medium stories. So guys, you have so many options over here. You can have a separate contact information, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and you can just simply even have your own domain, custom domain, my friends, by upgrading it. So you can upgrade this as well, my friends, having your own custom domain. Maybe you have to purchase it, and these are all the benefits of having your own publication, my friends. So my friends, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 15 coming right up.